neighborhood a little bit. I don't drive it that much. Just want to keep things loose. Ooh, this thing just wants to get it, man. Running cold, it likes to run warm. Thing sounds crazy. Drives really good when it's warm. Just get that blood circulating right now. Can't wait to get to the track. I like that whining noise. It's time to get it back to the house. Something else, fellas. I really enjoy this truck, really do. This is just to get the fluid circulating. That's all I'm doing. It's been a couple weeks since this thing's been driven. It really sounds like a freaking jet, man. Sounds intimidating. Runs great. I'm gonna park it and shut it off before I get a letter from the homeowner association again. Just want to make sure that it's still good to go. Keep the battery charged on it, maintained. It's probably be good right there, just to get things. Just wants to hit it like a rocket. Ooh, chill it, Billy. Alright. That's gonna be it right there. Just wanted to get the fluid circulating. Things don't settle too much on me. Get my winders up here, turn it off before somebody comes over and says, hey man, it's too loud. Like, I know already. No, it's too loud for you, not for me. All right, perfect. Yeah, auto steps here, pimp. Okay. Oh, I left the box on. Oh, it's not leaking no more. I try to fix all the leaks. Cut it off here. Bam! Alright, so I'm gonna go shut the oil down. Little procedures and whatnot. Because if not, it'll start filling up over here. Oh, it's over right there. So I'll come over here, I got a valve. I'll shut it off. Because if not, the vacuum pressure. That right there is the oil pressure regulator. Okay, it keeps it from being too blasted. pretty warm right now. It got really warm. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll evacuate the system. I just go into the key. It's oil pump is connected to the fuel pump. Byrne Auto Performance hooked that up for me. So all I'm gonna do is, you can hear it come on for a second and then it'll shut off. That right there will take all the oil out of there, so I don't have any oil leaking out of the turbo. This thing doesn't want to focus in. I don't have any oil leaking out of the turbo while it's just sitting there. I just added a little dump. See, it's empty. It's empty there. It'll start filling up. I added me a little dump here. And so, just in case condensation and stuff like that and doesn't spray all over this here. Yeah, not too bad. Pretty happy with that. Hot damn hell yeah, y'all the baddest. Get some.